In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use the proofing feature in Smartsheet so you can review, comment on, and approve files in one centralized location. First, open the Smartsheet sheet where you want to manage file reviews. Then attach the file you want to review, such as a PDF, image, video, or document. Next, click on the attached file and select the proof option. This will open the proofing workspace where reviewers can collaborate directly on the file. Once the proof is created, invite reviewers by entering their email addresses. They'll receive a notification and can access the proof to provide feedback. Reviewers can add comments directly on specific areas of the file, making it easier to communicate changes and suggestions without lengthy email chains. If revisions are needed, upload a new version of the file while keeping all comments and review history connected to the proof. After feedback has been addressed, stakeholders can approve the file or request additional changes using the available approval options. You can monitor the proof status directly from your sheet to see whether a file is still under review, approved, or awaiting updates. That's it. You've successfully used the proofing feature in Smartsheet. Thanks for watching.